Hi, to take series of photos on Samsung Galaxy S25, firstly, let's just open Camera app. So in here, we need to tap on 4 dots and then tap on Settings icon and make sure that Swipe Shutter button to set to take burst shot photos. Then go back. And now you can just swipe this camera shutter button down to take series of photos. With the help of this way, you can take up to 100 photos at once. Let's tap it. And here you'll see the amount of photos. You can tap on it, select photos you want to keep, then tap arrow and choose to delete all the unselected pictures. And now we got only 3 free pictures instead of 100. Also, you can tap on 4 dots again, then tap Settings icon. And here we need to find shooting methods. Then press volume buttons too and set take picture or record video. And you can press and hold either your volume up or down button to take series of photos. And that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.